In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite friends on Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact dashboard. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the main account area where you can manage your contacts, emails, and other account tools. Make sure you are on the main dashboard before moving forward, so the navigation options are easy to find. Next, look at the top navigation menu and click on the Contacts tab. This section is where Constant Contact stores and manages the people you want to email. If you are inviting a friend to be added as a contact, this is the area you will use. Take a moment to make sure the Contacts page has fully loaded before continuing. After that, go to the upper right corner of the page and click the Add Contacts button. This button opens the options for adding someone new to your contact list. Once you click it, you will see different ways to add a contact. From the available options, select Create a New Contact. This is the correct choice when you want to add one person manually. It allows you to enter the contact details directly into Constant Contact without importing a list or using another method. You will now see fields where you can enter your friend's information. Type in their email address, first name, and last name. Be careful when entering these details, especially the email address, since even a small typo can prevent messages from being delivered properly. It is a good idea to quickly review the information before saving, just to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once the contact details are filled in, check the box confirming that you have their permission to send them emails. This step is important because Constant Contact requires you to confirm consent before adding someone to your list. It also helps you stay compliant with email marketing rules and best practices. Only continue if the person has clearly agreed to receive emails from you. Finally, click Save. After saving, your friend will be added to your Constant Contact contacts list. You can then use that contact for future email communications inside your account. That covers everything you need to know.